Hi guys, it's Micah. Today I'm back with the 24 weeks of Christmas cards 2020. It's number 13 and here it is. I called it Nellie Snellen because that's basically what I used. My shop at the beginning of September had a 20% off all weekend of everything. So I got all these. I thought it would be nice for backgrounds or artist trading coins I haven't made in a year. I will get back to it. And these are all Nellie Snellen. They're called Siddle something. And I found that Simon Says Stamp now carries Nellie Snellen. I'm not sure how many or which ones they have, but it's a brand. It made it to the Americas. It's a Dutch brand, I believe. But it's all made in Taiwan for a change. And these are, I thought I like these also for artist trading coins, but they're of course much bigger. But I like a background and I like my round backgrounds. So I got these. There's a few more. They only had these two, so yeah. And I have a few more of the silhouettes. I think I have the ducks and the hens and the girl with bunny. I think I might have it already, but I didn't check, so it's okay. It was only €2. So I'm checking the size of the circle with my stencils and see if there's one that is opaque so you can see it better. But I didn't have that one, and you can see I have these two, and those I do not. And yeah, one looks like snow to me, but it's very even snow. So I went for these with the stars, but there's also circles in it and dots like there's snow as well. So that's how I treated it. And yeah, my card base is bigger than my stencils. I'm having to tape it off. I've also found that my card base is really crooked. So I don't know why. Yeah, that is handmade. And for ink blending, I'm using distress inks. I'm using tumbled glass, broken china, and peacock feathers in like a horizontal way. And I'm trying to leave the center a little bit lighter for like a spotlight effect between the deers. I kind of ended up between the deer stags. I don't know. I don't think they're reindeer. What are they called? Well, not daffodil. Girl with hair, nope. Lily of the valley, nope. See, I have them all here on my desk. Oh, they're called reindeer. I'm not sure they're reindeer. Yeah, there you go. They're stags. You can see from the antlers. They're not deer antlers, are they? But yeah, doesn't matter. I'm peeling it off. These are acrylic stamps. They're not photopolymer. They're quite sticky at the beginning. And I don't think it matters how you orientate it. But yeah. And I kind of wanted to emboss the whole circle. But then I thought if I stamp my stags, they will look weird, won't they? So instead what I'm doing is stamping my deer first. Stags, deer, not reindeer. I don't agree, but that's okay. They're Bambis, you know, they're not Rudolphs. Anyway, Versamagic ink, of course, him heat setting it. And then I will semi-stamp the background. I'm trying to make it fade towards the bottom. If it is snow, the other one is way too dense. You wouldn't even see the stags anymore. But yeah, you can make that fade away as well. Make sure it's really dry. And you see, that's where I noticed. Yeah. I'm trying to fold it, but yeah, I cut it on a slant, I guess. And see here, it looks really nice, but very dense. If I put this one on, I don't think you would even see them. So I did opt to go with the first one I decided on, and then I will just lightly ink it about 2/3 and wipe off some of it. But I think that made my stamp wetter, and yeah. So there's a little bit on the stag's body which I'm trying to get off with my powder tool. That worked quite well actually. And opaque bright white super fine from WOW, because the details in the stamp are quite well thin, I would say. So, and there's lots of it now on the stag, so I'm taking a brush to get that off. But where it's on the antlers, I left it because I thought it would look nice if it had caught the snow, if that makes sense. Also, it's way too difficult to get it off. Yeah, but that wasn't the reason. It was actually, but yeah. And I'm heat setting it. And I think it looks really nice, like a snow globe. And you can use the whole stamp, of course, in a circle if you want, and then use die cuts of your stags, and then you might even make them a color. I only have Versamagic black and a brown, so that would have been my choices, but I went with black. And the sentiment is from Unico. That's simply Set Blocks Christmas edition, and I thought Peace on Earth. It looks like a really peaceful scene. I think that would also go well with the silhouette with Maria on the donkey and Joseph. But I don't have it. They didn't have it. I don't have it. So I think I bought enough. So, and even with the discount, it was 20 euros. So yeah, I didn't expect that for 7 stamps. But there you go. They were all 2 euros, 3 euros. You know, no, I did. Yeah, that happens at we have a dollar store like thing that's called Action, and if you go, oh, that's 90 cents, oh, that's 40 cents, and then at the till it's 20. But thank you for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.